Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an amazing car accessory, the Dashcam 2K Wi-Fi 1440p car camera. As you know, dashcams have become increasingly popular over the years due to their ability to record accidents and help drivers prove their innocence in insurance claims. This particular dashcam offers high-quality video recording and a range of features that make it a great investment for any driver. So, let's get started. The Dashcam 2K Wi-Fi 1440p car camera offers a range of features that make it stand out from other dash cameras on the market. Firstly, it offers high-quality video recording with a 1440p resolution that provides sharp and clear footage of the road ahead. It also has a wide-angle lens that offers a 170-degree field of view, ensuring that you capture everything happening in front of you. The dashcam also comes equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi feature that allows you to connect to your smartphone and download footage easily. This is great for sharing with friends and family or for presenting to insurance companies if you are involved in an accident. Another great feature of this dashcam is the G sensor that detects sudden movements, such as an accident, and automatically saves the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It also has a loop recording function that ensures that the oldest footage is automatically overwritten by the newest footage, ensuring that you always have the most recent recording available. Installing and setting up the Dashcam 2K Wi-Fi 1440p car camera is incredibly easy. It comes with a suction cup mount that allows you to attach it to your windshield, and a USB cable that you can plug into your car's cigarette lighter to power it. Once you turn on your car, the dashcam automatically starts recording, so you don't have to worry about manually starting and stopping it. The Dashcam 2K Wi-Fi 1440p car camera is a great investment for any driver looking for a reliable dashcam. Its high-quality video recording, built-in Wi-Fi and G sensor make it stand out from other dashcams on the market. While it does have a few limitations, such as the lack of a GPS feature, it offers a range of benefits that make it well worth the investment. So, if you are in the market for a dashcam, be sure to consider the Dashcam 2K Wi-Fi 1440p car camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more great content.